Hi, introducing myself to my English virtual teacher Aurelia Ganen Luna. My name is Neila Paisuri. My last name is Torres. My place of birth is Acacias Meta. My date of birth is February 5, 1996. I'm 26 years old. My mail faisuri.dafai@gmail.com. My phone number is 3115995092. I currently live in the Department of Guaviare and Municipality de Retorno. My favorite color is red. My best friend's name is Sonia Roakiki. I currently work in the ICBF Children's Home where I work with early childhood with both years from 6 months to 4 years, 11 months. I study virtually the Bachelor of Child Pedagogy. I work to pay for my studies and be a professional. Thank you.